Hello everyone, I am here to show you simple mathematics. Okay, stay with me. Thank you. Here 8 minus 2 the power of 3 in bracket 8 minus 2. Let we do this equation together. So 8 minus 2 the power of 3 into 8 minus 2. So in order to do this equation, we have to follow the BODMAS rule. We have to follow BODMAS rule. Okay, BODMAS rule means there is a bracket, then division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay, addition and subtraction, we have to follow these orders. If there is a bracket, we have to do the bracket first. If there is division, so we have to divide first before multiplication, and addition before subtraction. Okay, so here is a bracket, so we have to do a numbers which is found in the bracket. So here 8 minus 2 the power of 3, so we have to do first in the bracket 8 minus 2 means which is 6. Yeah, which is 6. So here 8 minus 2 the power of 3 means 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, 2 times 2, multiplying 2 3 times. Good. So here which equals to 8 minus 2 the power of 3, or 2 times 2 means which is 8. Yes, 8 in bracket 6, which is 8 minus 8, that means 8 times 6. Okay, 8 times 6. Here is subtraction and multiplication. So due to the BODMAS rule, we have to first multiply numbers before subtraction. Okay, before subtraction. Therefore here 8 times 6. Okay, so we have to multiply first 8 times 6, which is 48, then 8 times 48 means which is negative 40. Okay, therefore here 8 minus 2 to the power of 3 in bracket 8 minus 2, which is equals to negative 40, which equals to negative 40. Good. Let's see the next question. Okay, question number 2, which is similar with the previous one. Okay, 6 minus 2 the power of 3 in bracket 6 minus 2. But I need to this question is for your homework. Okay, try it and put your answer on the comment section, and I will see and comment on it. Okay, thank you for listening to me.